Want this? Well, the first step is to place the video to the timeline. We place ourselves at the beginning of the video and add a keyframe in scale. We also add a keyframe in position. We verify that it is in 100%, and now we see what we want to zoom. We wait until the part where we want to zoom. In my case, I want to zoom the sun, so I stop the video here, and I increase the scale percent and adjust the video. Automatically, the keyframes in scale and position will be marked, but still make sure they are checked. Now we go back to the beginning of the video and see how it looks. In case we want to slow it down even more, we simply move this keyframe to the right. This depends on how fast or slow you want it to go. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.